bad attitude. Don't you know that Christmas is a wonderful time of the year? And the Sweeneys are getting together next Saturday. Yay! Now I hope your attitude isn't quite as bad as Mr. What's your name there, sir? What? Oh dear, yes, you've been very, very bad. But most of the Sweeneys have been very, very good. So, with that in mind, take a listen. Oopsie daisy. Sit back up there, sir. Oh, dear, Mr. Cole. Stop. Can't we just enjoy this for a moment? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Don't forget, the 20th at Maureen's house at about noonish or whatever. And don't bring a bad attitude like you know who over there, Mr. Lump of Coal. Oh dear, he is so naughty. Bye. See you later. Oh dear, he's so naughty. Mr. Cole.